Boombox, what the heck are we doing up here? It's for your next challenge. Yeah? Look around you. Oh, great. Did you guys know MRAST2? Pull yourself together. This was the challenge. Since there's not teams here, you're all in one area. So yeah. Last person to do it wins immunity into the final four. Go. Wee. Seriously, we have to try not to pull that thing. Yeah. Isn't that what it's for? Pulling? Dried kelp, you're out. What? Dang it. Hey, half block. I dare you to pull it. No, you. Uno reverse card. Stop. Why do you Uno reverse card yourself? Fine. Slabby is out. I had to follow one of Stoney's stupid dares. Yeah, I was trying to get you to lose. Wait, with 3 of us already? Oh, yes, there are 3 of you already. But wait, why is there fire alarms of all things? Okay, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go up there and... Hey, can I pull? No, this is illegal to do. But Boombox may sign a contract making it legal. Oh, have fun. There we go. Glassy is up for elimination. It's either Stoney or Sandstony. Their names sound very similar. One of you is winning the immunity into the final 4. I'm not doing this. I'm changing the rules. No, instead of trying not to pull the fire, you have to pull the fire alarm. But there's gonna be a few obstacles in it. So yeah, first person to first person to pull fire alarm wins immunity. I'll be back here watching. No, this is stupid. So, ding. Oh yeah, I forgot that the respawner was there. What? The respawner. You get recovered if you die? Oh. Haha, yeah. Now let's try to pull this. Whoa, sick. I know. I know what you're thinking, Boombox. I'm stupid. You're not actually stupid. If you were stupid, how would you make it this far? I don't know. I just did. Okay. Do it. Forgot there was an explosion implemented. Not funny, Boom. You signed the contract, so that means you have to do this. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Do I have to do this? What was that? What the heck's going on? I don't know. You idiot. Why? You must, hurt me. You know? Wait, where did he go? Huh? What was that noise? And Stoney, you win immunity. The rest of you are up for an elimination-y. So? Yeah, why are we up for elimination? Because you guys didn't do what I said. So yeah, 3 of you did pull the firearm. 1 of you didn't. Stoney, you're the one who did pull the firearm because I changed the rules when there were 2 left. So yeah, elimination teamy for all of you. Slabby is going on to the final 4. So is dried kelp. Why am I always getting in the bond too? And dang it. Why? Stoney, you have been eliminated again. Wait. Wait. Why am I floating? Why is the box opening? It's the box of... Welcome back, Stoney. That's it for another episode of the Minecraft Battle Rebooted as Paper. What will happen with these meet the final 4? That's right, the final 4. Yeah. One of them's going to win soon. We just have like 2 more. We have 2 more eliminations to do. So yeah, see you in episode 20.